Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a faceless YouTube channel and monetize it. If you're looking to keep your identity private or just don't want to show your face on camera, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Step 1. To choose specific topic. The first step to creating a successful faceless YouTube channel is to choose a topic. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Some popular niches on YouTube include gaming, beauty, cooking, and finance. Choose something that you're interested in and that has a good following on YouTube. Step 2. Create your channel. Once you've chosen your topic, it's time to create your channel. You can do this by going to youtube.com and clicking on the sign in button in the top right corner. Once you're signed in, click on the Create a Channel button on the left-hand side of the screen. Follow the prompts to create your channel name and add a profile picture. Remember, you don't have to use a picture of yourself if you don't want to. Step 3 is start creating content. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to start creating content. You don't have to show your face on camera to create engaging content. For example, if you're in the cooking topic, you could create recipe videos with a voiceover or use animations to illustrate your recipes. The key is to create content that your audience will enjoy and find valuable. Step 4. Optimize your videos for SEO. To get your videos seen by a larger audience, you'll need to optimize them for search engines. This means using keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find the best keywords to use for your videos. Step 5. Monetize your channel. Finally, it's time to monetize your channel. You can do this by applying for the YouTube Partner Program. To be eligible, you'll need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you're accepted into the program, you can start earning money from ads that play on your videos. Conclusion. And that's it. Creating a faceless YouTube channel is a great way to share your passions and make money online. Remember to choose a niche you're interested in. Create engaging content, optimize your videos for search engines, and apply for the YouTube Partner Program to monetize your channel. Thanks for watching.